and after that we can proceed to the conference hall. We will have the program. So let's all go after we video.
Going and taking uncle at that time to the hospital. I remember I had trouble with late Sir P.A. Sangma quite a few times here during the Langpi incident. We had gone to Langpi by road during the Garu and Raba clash at that point of time. So I had fondly recall that he was a good man. I am nobody to speak about his qualities, about his character. The whole world knows about it. Every one of us knows about this. So I'm nobody to judge or to speak about his qualities, his character, but on my personal experience, he's a man who is loved by many. He's a man who has set an example, and he's a man who has fought for a tribal identity till the day he passed away. He is a man who has fought for Christianity in the country. He had even challenged in the floor of the house that many people are shying away from acknowledging the mission, schools and colleges that many of the politicians, celebrities who have passed from Christian missionary schools, but yet till today we can see what is happening around our churches, our Christian brothers and sisters in this country. He has
Purno Sangma on this 10th death anniversary. I feel that each and every one of us present here will never forget this great leader. Dia bangayeng hangne hakma jongpi barokhoi. Nginumla banklet yau ne u leader jong ka party ka jongi. But leader u basengru ya ka ne ka party ka bait ka jongi. A leader who's a statesman, ubadan ka jingyo I jangai. Leader ubadan kata ka ba snowrit kamensem, but kumno kabandon kata ka jingyo I jangai na banta jongi ka northeast si barok kawi. Badam tang kata ilalong way na pedeng jong kita ki leaders. Om tang haga jinglong ka jongi kom UMLA jong ka thain ka jongi, but balawan ra e ka nam ka burom na banta ka thain ka jongi kabila long ro kumu speaker jong ka Lok Sabha. Wadlang ang padon ha ka party ha kito kipor Henry nga Kynmaw, but ilong utaw ba inspire kamtam kumingi. Bagumno ka bangin ya linti habede ba kakamsain perthai. Kakamsain perthai hakma jongi kamde tang nabanta kajingyo onong kajongi shimet ngaywi. Henry ngaywi, but he is a leader who's not self-centered. A leader with a motive. A leader with a motive to
strengthen my resolve in the kind of responsibilities that he envisioned in each of us, be it my brother, our Honorable Chief Minister, or be it my sisters, in the kind of responsibilities that he laid on us and that he gave us. And it really makes our resolve stronger. It strengthens it by all the words, the kind words that all of you have spoken about. It's so nice to see so many people here, and I did not expect this very big gathering, so it really touches me, and it's something that I'm very grateful to all of you. And as the theme of today's program, a decade of remembrance, carrying forward his vision, speaks about. It's 10 years have passed since he passed away, but it just seems like yesterday that he was very much there with us, and he would be just sharing a very very light moment, and his humor was so infectious, his laughter was so infectious. And this is something that seems just like yesterday. And to see that all of you share that kind of moment, that memory with him, it just brings back a quote from a Scottish poet that I really like, Thomas Campbell. And he says that to live in the hearts that you leave behind is not to die. And this is what I see here today, that his memory lives on in each and every one of you. And even though 10 years have passed, he feels very much alive, that he's just next to us, that he is guiding us with his words, and his vision carries on in each and every one of us. And I'm very sure today that as he looks down upon us from heaven, he's with our Maker today. And I think that he must be having a smile on his face, looking at how today his vision lives on in each and every one of us. So I don't have many words to say today, except that I am extremely grateful to each and every one of you for taking your time out to be part of this program, um, to show your love, to show your respect for our leader who is no more with us. And I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Sir Preston Tensong is also the Deputy Chief Minister. I know how having taken time out to be with us, to share your words, your experiences, it means a lot to us. And we, as a family, as his children, would like to profusely thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I'd like to also thank each and every one of our speakers who have shared their tribute to our late leader. I'd like to thank all of you, Ma Daniel, Dr. David Kashandi, Congrace, and Baba Job, and also our state working president, by Hamlet. Thank you so much for all those kind words that you have said. And thank you for sharing things which not just bring about real fond memories about my.
From 2014, the moment again late P.A. Sangma was re-elected as MP of Tura parliamentary constituency, I became close with him that time. Very, very close. Nobody knows. I think James Rowe does not know that. Every moment I landed Delhi, I never failed to call late P.A. Sangma. And that time I used to stay in Aurangzeb Road, Meghala House. And late P.A. Sangma, he stays near the Meghala House. I think all of us, we knew it. By 8:39, I quietly went to his house. In that journey, let me tell you one thing. In that journey, some report went down to the leadership of Congress that time. And you know, I got yellow card. Yellow card was issued to me that time, right from the high command up to the state command. But let me tell you one thing. P.A. Sangma was chosen by God. And you can imagine the way he shared things with me. I can never forget that. And he told me, Preston, you are just like my brother, youngest brother. Work hard and let us also make sure that the interests of the tribal community, starting from Meghalaya, Northeast, and the entire nation, has to be fully protected. That has to be fully protected. That time I couldn't understand well. I thought myself in the circle of Meghalaya alone, my service will be ended. But meeting him every now and then, ultimately, it convinced me that I should be also part of this vision and the mission initiated by our great leader. Parolok bi ngim yo shu kum ulit pisang. Haka political career jonga ngam yo shu kum uleu reu kra. Ubayo ijingai. Ya ka jing don kam jong ngi kirit pai. They tat hadu banga join yaka party NPP. Ar hajar khatra kumlaong ba Daniel. Ar hajar khatra habanga puli yaka constitution joka party. Ngayo i yaka dur jong upi sama. One Northeast, one tribal in India. Kata ka di kakubor, kabakraw tam kabangiyok, now new leader. Nga teng-teng nga mga nga pet nga kakta kajimot kajim berkat. Bakibriw ki kawang mau ya ka constitution jong ka party NPP. Mangikirit pa ni persyang bat kawang mau ya kani ka vision bat ka mission ka bau leader jongi ula e no sadin pamangingi de bankit nrengangai skem tang kawai kajing persyang jongi hapo kajingalam jongu Konrad sama liyo i ba kanang seiso kanang pulung kanang pu kanang bit kanang biak kat banang mi ki benai kat banang mi ki snem ban ngangets kem ba kanika vision ka mission ka basiteng por jong let pi sama u Konrad sama u James sama mangi bro nginla ban penulong ya ka ba James, I've just shared with all of them, and the mission of your late father is inherited to us jointly with Conrad, with you. Let us accomplish it. The ki perlok by it, ki leaders by it. Jong ka party nga das nguk men bangila banya kenduk mentaka step. Kat ne piawan. Ai bagan ni jingi kendo ke jongi. Kitu ke history lengkot. Ke baki leaders nang kele parti kila ai. Ke bayajan bat ulet pe sang ma kila ai. Ngin kit ia kani. Ngin nang perklain susu. Ya ke jingi syakri ke jongi. Ai baka megala jongi. Kadlong ka megala. Kabatap daka jingkhlad. Haki bor. Ki bantangwan burom. Ngamla ban klet. Mentar hawa arah jar arpulai. Ngapoy hapo New York. Don way prolog ukot yangi na kementangi litbam lunch. Ia keduk sangut kita ki leaders. Ki NRI hang te New York. Ki yathu kana siapa hupi sama. Ki om komunde mjudan su. Ki NRI, ki bala im, ki badon ke company ke bahe ang te po hapo Amerika. Ki Kynmaw lut siapa hupi sama. Don ulidar hang ne ke jelah juni. Dak ke burom ngakrega 4 dot. Like now new ramba. Pinpet ya ke history. Pinkren ya ki eke brohai. 4 dot. Kat une uru ramba ubau play rajit. Pi kapelong yang kapelong yang i bengin join sekali ke parti de kata kenurit. Balengi join. Balengi rung hakali ke parti. I Dr. David Iong ka continuity. Lembaga responsibility. Na try de kata ka badon kam yang i. Pangin bedeng. Ya kalenti ya ke jomi. Doble un kurku